Right, hi everybody. I thought I would try and do one of these HelloFresh meals. I did I think it's a classic I did a family variation. So that was 3 meals to feed 4 people. There was an offer where it was half price. So instead of £50 something per week, it was £23. So I did 2 weeks. So I should be getting 2 weeks at £23. So this is the first meal. I'm going to try this one out, and it's a Lemony chicken linguini. So this is what it looks like. All the ingredients are in here. So let's take those out. So I've got the linguini here. Yeah, linguini. Supposed to have creme fraiche. There's creme fraiche. We've got diced chicken thigh. Yep, machine diced chicken thigh. Wow, I normally just do it myself. 1 lemon. Flat leaf parsley. 1 lemon. Oops, 1 red onion. And this is what? This is chicken stock powder. Chicken stock powder, so 2 of those. Then we have, what are these? Mange 2 of those, Mange 2, garlic puree, and another lemon. Is it 2 lemons? Possibly 2 lemons. Right, so that's the content. Let's see. So let me take out what equipment I need, and then I'll come back. Okay, so according to this, I'll need a large saucepan. What else will I need? I'm assuming I'm going to need a frying pan. A large frying pan. I think that's it. Just 1 large saucepan, frying pan. Yep, that's it. Let's go. Right, so step 1 says prep the veg. Bring a large saucepan of water to the boil with half a teaspoon of salt. Half peel and thinly slice the onion. Roughly chop the parsley stalks, and all half the lemon. Right, so let's crack on and do that. So I'm just going to give these a bit of a wash before I use them. Step 2, get to cooking. Heat a splash of oil in a large frying pan on medium heat. Add the onion and cook until soft, 4 to 5 minutes. Add the garlic puree, cook for another 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Then transfer to a bowl. Add another splash of oil to the pan. If it's dry, increase the heat to medium-high. Add the chicken and season with salt and pepper. Fry it until golden and cook through 8 to 10 minutes. Important, chicken should be cooked all the way through. Okay, let's do that. Never forget, this chef needs to be drinking something as well. A nice cheap bottle of Lamborghini always goes down well whilst you're cooking.
Next peppers and the garlic puree.
To a bowl, so let's do that. So I'm just going to transfer it to a smaller pan. Right, they say to add salt and pepper, but I'm just going to use some all-purpose seasoning instead. And then add the pepper. Whilst the chicken is cooking, I'm going to add the linguine. Right, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm cooking pasta, I always put a little bit of olive oil in the pan just to stop it from sticking together. Okay, next stage of this is number 4, finishing the sauce. So once the chicken is cooked, add the onions and garlic back to the frying pan with the chicken. You've done that, along with the sugar snap peas, and stir to combine. Next, add the creme fraiche and stock powder, squeeze in the lemon juice, add the water, season with salt and pepper, bring to the boil, stir to dissolve the stock powder, then reduce the heat and simmer until slightly thickened, 5 to 6 minutes. Right, sugar snap peas on 1 to 2. I'm just going to wash these 2 bags and then add them to the pan. Washed. So what I've done now, I have just drained the linguine. They say to mix the linguine back in the pan with the chicken mixture, but that's not big enough. So I'm going to put everything back in this pan and mix it all up, and hopefully it'll be enough to feed everybody. This is supposed to be for 4 people. I'm hoping it might stretch to 5 because my sister and niece are here as well, so I'm kind of hoping it will be enough. If not, hey, so what, but we will see. All right, come back to you in a bit. I know it doesn't look so attractive in a big pot like this, but I couldn't be bothered to get my big, what would be called a Dutch pot. I wasn't going to bring that down, dirty up another pot for no reason. So just mix this all up. And I think this is going to be enough to feed everybody, to be honest. Should be. And I'm sure they will give me their verdicts. There you go. Finished meal, Hello Fresh. And that did literally take about, what, half an hour? I'd say about half an hour, 40 minutes it took. I mix in some of that parsley, that chopped parsley from before. Just mix that all in. I'm not going to put too much in because my lot don't really like the flavour of parsley. It has to be really cooked in for them not to complain about it.